Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your brightness on your laptop. So for doing this you just need to tap on battery here. You will find battery settings, so just open it, and after in this new window you will find here display, so just tap on display, and here you will see first option change brightness. So now you can also just control it, so here you can see that you can change it from 0 to 100%. So if you end your changing, so just leave your finger from this control brightness, and it will automatically save your brightness. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.